Hey Glamours, and in today's video we are doing a unboxing of the new Glossybox February edition. So I'm a bit late on this, and I'm very late on this, but I thought I've got it, and I always do one, so I thought why not. So it is a Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat cassette mixtape, stereo cassette premium. Now when I was little, I used to literally, this is how old I am, okay? I was born in 1987. I am 33. Oh god, 33. But when I used to have like cassettes to listen to, oh my god, to listen to music. And then when I was younger, cars used to have cassette tapes in them, so we used to put I used to put my cassette tapes in there and listen to them, and then, you know, kept carrying on this cassette player. Oh my good grief, this is how old I am. But I used to love cassette tapes, and yes, you have to rewind them and then press play, but if you wanted to get a song on a cassette tape and you wound it too far forward, you'd have to go back again. It was just a whole working thing. But I do miss cassette tapes. I think they're really good, and I think you can still get like a cassette player, but I'm not quite sure, but it's good. But anyway, the cassette is here. Let's open it up. Okay. There it is in all its glory. Ping, 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 ping. Ping, 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 ping. This is the card that you get, and it has a sneak peek of March's sneak peek. We'll read that in a bit. But you know what? I just gotta love it. Sing, dance, love, repeat. You gotta do that. I'm gonna open that. Peel back the tape. Oh my god. Oh, I love this because on the actual paper it's like has cassette tapes, and it has headphones, like old school headphones that I used to have as well. So the first thing I do see is a Steve Laurent Total Repair Mask. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, this is the outer portion of the lips. So this is from Steve Laurent. You can buy it at SteveLaurent.com. For one, it is £5. So it does say in the book, lips feeling dry, cracked from cold weather, Steve Laurent Total Repair Mask will bring a burst of hydration to your lips whenever they need of a little extra love. Instantly soothing and revitalizing lips. This mask also helps reduce the appearance of fine lines to leave them looking and feeling soft and smooth. So on the back it just says Steve Laurent Total Lip Repair Mask is a burst of hydration to your lips. Whenever you need some extra love, it's instantly smooth lips while reducing the appearance of fine lines, which probably what I do. Single use only, don't flush. So you use it one time and then you bin it. Don't flush it, just bin it. I'll put that in this little thing. Next we have a hand cream. Hand cream? Yeah, this is a hand cream. And it is basically from Bubble Tea, Bath and Body. I've got a lot of stuff from Bubble Tea from Glossybox that I've purchased. This is Beach Bellini. And basically this is from bubbleteacosmetics.com, if you want to know. And it is $4.99. So let's go for it. I've already unscrewed it. I've already pulled the cap off. So this did have a seal on it. I've already pulled it off to smell it. So let's go for it. Oh my god. It's just, if you love peaches or anything like that, peach Bellini with this, it's, oh god, it's like, it smells so good. So it is a tea-inspired beauty. Love what they did there. Oh, restoring hand cream. This is Be Our Valentine with this sweet and uplifting peach Bellini hand cream. Smells like it. Designed to keep hands feeling and smelling great all day long. Indulge with this cocktail-inspired hand cream on this Valentine's Day. I can see this for Valentine's Day. I got it late. There's a reason for that. It is suitable for vegans, so if you're vegan, it's suitable. And it is cruelty-free, which I'm loving that. Store out of direct sunlight, which I already know. If irritation occurs, please discontinue use. This smells gorgeous. It smells good. My hands smell gorgeous. They feel so soft as well. Like, I do get dry hands, but these feel so soft. Next, we have a new sticked gel color lip and cheek balm. This is from newsticks.com. It is £20 and it is full size. All these products are in here are actually full size. This is a small thing for a new stick if it's full size. It's not a twisty. You do have to sharpen it. It's a balm. The colour is beautiful though. That colour is beautiful. So you can use it as a cheek or lip balm and just wash it away. but it's 20 quid for just this small little thing, and it's in the shade Siren. So it is actually really cute, and you can use this as a gel colour lip or cheek balm. So you can put this on the cheek, so I can't wait to use that. Next we have this is from glowonfifth.com, and it is a Rose Glossy facial beauty sponge tool. This is actually £10. Now I've never used one of these before. So I'm going to look up how to use it and everything. It is very, very beautiful. It is, I mean, that is beautiful. It's see-through, but it's so beautiful. But some people, they put these in the fridge, and I think you're supposed to do that up with them. I'm not quite sure how you use it. I'm not quite sure, but I will definitely research it, look on a YouTube video to see how to use this. So, and it does say use our Glow on Fifth Rose Glossy beauty tool all over clean skin for 4 to 6 minutes daily for healthy glowing skin. This facial massage tool helps contour the face and neck, enhancing the features and resulting in more youthful complexion. It helps flush out the lymphatic drainage, which increases blood flow and circulation, both of which are essential to a vibrant skin. For best results, use together with the Simply Glowing Vitamin C Serum. Glowing tip: if your skin appears red or flushed after use, that means it's working. Okay, I think my skin's a little bit red there. And apparently this can be used to relieve tightened muscles as well. And I think this can be used to, you know, for wrinkles as well, so make your skin a lot firmer. So that was 10 quid. The last product we have in there is the 5th product. This is from Advant. Advant is an expensive high-end brand. This is a 10ml. It is full size. It is a rose sugar lip scrub. I need to smell it though. That smells nice. You can get this from advant/skincare.com/en. This is £58 for a lip scrub. Like this lip scrub right here, it's £58. So this is a 4 to 5 incredible ingredients such as rose peony and sweet almond. I think that's what I can smell. Oh, it does smell nice. This scrub will leave you with super soft kissable lips just in time for Valentine's Day. Ingredient rose works to buff away dead skin and impurities to reveal fresh, youthful lips. This product's light, effective properties also illuminates lips, allowing them to glow. So basically, this is not edible. So basically, once you put it on your lips, you need to basically then take it off. But this is cruelty-free as well, which is a very good thing. I'm going to use this, but I still prefer my Jeffree Star one lip scrubs that I do like. Jeffree Star lip scrubs, they're big pots and I like them, and they are edible. So just in case I can't be bothered to wipe it off, I just lick it off with the Jeffree Star one. This I have to literally wipe away and wash. So I will actually be using these in a video. So this is £58. That's expensive. We had kind of like £95 altogether in this box. What I'm going to do, if I can find it, I'm not good at maths. Please don't judge me, but I'm not good at maths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all these up. So in this box, we have the whopping £97.99. That is almost £100. And you only pay £11.75 for this box. Yeah, it's £11.75. I pay £11.75 because I do a fixed contract with the 12-month contract with it. I pay £11.75 for this, and it's it's normally over £50. This is £97. This whole box is worth a whopping £97.99. That is what this box is worth. That is a lot of money. For some products, it is a lot of money. £97.99. This is what this whole content is worth. Oh my good grief. But this is my unboxing of the February's edition of Glossybox. If you do like this series, please let me know and I can still do more of them. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.